What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a 2022 Silverado 1500. Looks like this one is the Baby Duramax 3.0 engine, and I'm guessing it's the RST. Somebody told me to look on the back tailgate, and it would say, yep, it sure does, RST, right there. So anyways, we're doing a 6-inch rough country lift and some 35 1250/20 Nitto ridge grapplers on the factory wheels. So I just wanted to give you guys a good daily driver video and show you a nice truck that you can do on a good budget. So stay tuned and let me know what you think about the truck. Here's the truck real quick. All painted bumpers. That's what you get with an RST. Z71 means it is the off-road package, but I believe this is the two-wheel drive truck. The Duramax engine, that's kind of rare to see that on this, but that's kind of a nice engine. And he has that bullet antenna. I priced that for a guy earlier today, so stay tuned. Let me know what you think. Well, we've got our Silverado done, guys, and I couldn't be happier with it. You know, some of you guys might say this is a simple setup, and it is. It's very simple, but it's a daily driver. You can take it in and out of drive-throughs or parking decks, car washes, whatever you want to do with that, and it still drives good. It drives like a factory truck. It's very quiet, good on the interstate, 70, 80 miles an hour. You still have plenty of power. So maybe you should check out this setup and let me know what you think. All right, so here's our truck. This is a very rare truck, believe it or not, because this is a 2022 old face truck. This is the LTD model, I guess you'd call it. In 2022, during COVID and all that stuff that we were having issues with supply chain issues, it was hard for us to get lift kits, tires, wheels, things like that we normally sell. But it was also hard to get a Chevy truck back then. And they were behind on the production of the 2022s, so they were supposed to have a new, you know, front end, fascia, headlight, all that assembly. and a lot of the trucks didn't get done, didn't get refreshed, and there were a lot of 2022 trucks that were produced with the old front end, and this is one of them. The fact that it has a Duramax in it is kind of, you know, special to me as well, because you didn't really see too many Duramaxes in the 1500s back then like you do now. Like every time you see one now, it's a diesel, but back then it wasn't. So we did the 6-inch rough country lift kit on this one. Very, very nice lift kit. It's the best price lift kit that we sell at this size for this truck, but it's one of the best, surprisingly. They just mass produce these kits, so there's no issues with their R&D department or anything. They have it all under control now. 35 12 50 20 Nitto ridge grappler on the factory 20-inch wheel. We had to do 1.5 inch wheel spacers in here to make these work, but everything clears. There's no cutting or modification necessary on this setup with 35s. So it's a good setup for somebody that doesn't want to cut their truck. So that's always one thing to think about with this. Tires ride amazing. They're very quiet and smooth. Nitto's the best tire that we sell. You know, that Toyo and Nitto are the same company, but one of those two brands is the best thing we sell. So I like the overall presentation of the truck. Let me know what you guys think at home. I'm going to put a price at the end of the video so you can see what this setup costs. If you have any questions, call me. My name is Jake. Number here is 678-994-9180. Thanks, guys.